Engineering earthquake-resistant buildings. Lesson 4, Preparation. Boss model. Start by cutting two 3-inch pieces of pipe cleaner. Then cut a 1 by 8-inch strip from one of the large 5 by 8-inch index cards. Next, cut a 1 by 5-inch strip from the other large 5 by 8-inch index card. Fold the smaller 3 by 5-inch index card in half lengthwise and crease. Open the index card and align the 8-inch and 5-inch strips with the crease on the index card and tape them in place, leaving some room between each strip. Then close the index card and wrap a 3-inch piece of pipe cleaner around the top of each strip.